Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. And a cold start, sort of. Cold start of a diesel in the morning. It's not cold out. Now you say, well, we knew that because you're in shorts. Well, not really. Because I've gone out in shorts in the cold before, so that you can't really use that. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Can't really use that. We're back from our vacay. I still got another day off because I got some stuff to get done around the house. My wife thinks I'm going out for something else, but what I'm really going to do is surprise her with Starbucks before she goes to work. I don't think she slept great last night, so even if it's warm enough this morning, I might give Black Betty a full-scale bath, which would include de-ironing or iron remover bath, a clay bar, and maybe just some hand rub compound and get some light scratches. There's some scratches I'm not getting out with the buffer, so they're gonna I'll have to touch them up, build them up, give them a couple weeks, and then take some wet sand and try to blend them in as best I can. There's my ducks and geese. What's up, snow geese? Snow geese. They said, bring your ass back here. Give us food. Give us nourishment. I said, please. Anywho. Hopefully the sun comes out today. Nope, I'm gonna do that. I'll take her a drink. Then I'm gonna try Aldi's version of Cheerios for breakfast. And some French toast she made me. So announce a giveaway this week, hopefully. I've got some new things and I've got some stuff to go over as well, so bear with me. It's all coming. Yeah, I figured I'd do a little cold start. The cold starts, well, it'll be April Wednesday, April 1st. So I gotta watch out for my mother trying to get me with April Fool. She gets me every year with something just off the wall. So maybe this year I can get her. I doubt it. Doesn't mean I'm not gonna try. I think I might have got her 1 year, but the scoreboard is pretty well in her favor. Anyway, a nice ride in the D-Max. I gotta change a couple grease fittings as well on this. Just 2 of them. And these I gotta do with wrenches this time. So, yeah. If y'all like the video, enjoy the content, like, subscribe, comment, share, notifications. Hopefully the clay bar and all that will help this windshield out some. But we'll see if I can get that done today. Gotta clean the Yeti up. Before I do that, I gotta replace the exhaust hangers. Starting to sag a little bit. And hopefully these new polyurethane ones will work better. We will see. Do that. Some other stuff. So definitely stay tuned, guys. I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next video. And may Jesus be with you. Peace.